Hello, I'm Vikanksha and you all welcome to the VC Education Academy. Still, we had completed the question number 1. Today we are going to start with the question number 2. Come on, let's start with the question number 2. In question number 2, they ask us to find the product. Find the products means we have to find out what will be the answer if we multiply two integer. So what two integer they had given us? Minus 18 and 9. Okay, so we has to multiply these two integers to find out the answer. First we has to find out the sign. तो देखो पहले साइन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. हमें रूल पता है, there is one positive negative and one is positive. Negative positive or the positive negative, two opposite signs, always negative. So our answer will be negative. दो अपोजिट साइन हो तो आंसर हमेशा क्या आता है? नेगेटिव आता है. Now we will multiply by 18 nines are. If you know the 18 ka table, 18 nines are 162, or you has to calculate here 18 multiplied by 9. 8 nines are 72, 2 carry 7. 9 ones are 9 and 7. 9 and 7, 16. So answer will be minus 162. Okay, next. Question number B. 4 multiplied by minus 600. Here 4 is a positive, 600 is a negative. Positive, negative, opposite sign, negative. Answer will be negative. So 600 multiplied by 4, 400, 400, 4 6 are 24. 2400 will be the answer. Next, here minus 35 multiplied by minus 35. Again, negative and positive. Negative, positive, you will get the answer negative. So, 35 multiplied by 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 3s are 15 and 2, 17. You can write here addition sign or 0. 3 5s are 15 ka 5 carry 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12, 2. Carry 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 1. Answer is a 1225. Answer is a 1225. Question number D. Minus 5000 multiplied by minus 20. Both the sign are negative. So negative, negative, positive, or two same sign always give a positive. So 5000 multiplied by 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 is there already counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have wrote here 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 5s are 10. Answer will be 1 lakh. Okay. Just count out the zero. Zero count कर लीजिए कितने हैं 1, 2, 3 और 4. पहले मैंने 4 0 लिख लिए, फिर 2 और 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. 2 5s are 10. So we can do it easily. Question number E. Minus 2 multiplied by 537. First we will check the sign. Sign check करो. ये minus है. This one is plus. Minus plus opposite sign always minus. Minus plus always minus because they are the opposite sign. So our answer will be minus. हमारा आंसर क्या आने वाला है? माइनस आने वाला है. So 537 multiplied by 2. 2 7s are 14. 4 carry 1. 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7. 2 5s are 10. So answer will be 1074. 1074. Your question number F. 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. In this sum, we have given a multiplication of the three integer and three of them are negative. In this sum, we have given a three number and three of them are negative. When we had given a negative sign, we has to count them first. How many? So 1, 2, 3. So 3 is a odd number. So our answer will be odd. हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? Odd है तो negative होगा. 3 negative है number. Sorry, 3 is a odd number. So our answer will be negative. 3 is a odd number. So हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Negative आएगा. Now we will do the multiplication. 11 multiplied by 11. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 0. Again 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Plus 1, 1 and 1, 2, 1. 121. So again, 121 multiplied by 11. 3 times we have to multiply the 11. So we are multiplying. This is third time. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. Your 0 again. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2 and 1 ones are 1. Plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1, 1. So answer is 1331. Answer is 1331. So answer will be negative 1331. Answer is here. Now in next sum, they have given lot of number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But at the end, we have a 0. But at the end, we have a 0. And one thing we know that if we multiply by 0 by the any number, the answer will be 0. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को, छोटा नंबर हो, 1 डिजिट हो, 2 डिजिट हो, 100 डिजिट नंबर भी हो और उसे 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर क्या आने वाला है? 0 आने वाला है. So when we are multiplying any number with the 0, the answer will be 0. So there is no need to do the all multiplication here. If we are multiplying any number with the 0 in any expression, there is a 0 and we are multiplying by 0, the answer will be 0. So here our answer will be 0. There is no need to calculate also. समझ में आया? And here we completed the question number 2. The question number 3. Find the product using suitable property. So we has to calculate, we has to solve this sum and we has to use also the property. Now you know the different property we have already learned. Closure property. A multiplied by B is equal to always integer. A multiplied by B multiplied by A is a commutative property. Then A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B answer multiplied by C. It's an associative property. One property we have learned, that is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus B multiplied by C. How this property is applicable here? Which property is this? Distributive property of multiplication. Okay, now see. If we read this sum, 52 multiplied by minus 98 plus 52 multiplied by minus 2. What we have noticed is this sum, हम क्या notice कर रहे हैं इस sum में कि 52 has repeated twice. 52 इस sum में 2 बार आया है. Suppose the number which is repeated I consider A. Okay, this number had appeared only one time, so this is B and this is C. So which property I am getting here? A multiplied by B, A multiplied by B plus, your plus sign is there, plus A multiplied by C. Now see, I have put the bracket here. Can you remember something about this property? Which property is this now? Come on, tell me which property is this? Write in the comment and tell me. Yes, it is a distributive property. You are right, this is a distributive property. This we can also write when there is a common A. Common A है तो हम उसको common बाहर निकालेंगे. This A from this A एक बाहर निकाला तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा? B plus C. B plus C. If you don't know, we can remove this bracket also. See, this is one expression. This is another expression. हमारे पास दो एक्सप्रेशन है, वन साइन इज देयर. सो इस एक्सप्रेशन से हमने ए निकाला क्योंकि दोनों में ए कॉमन है, दोनों एक्सप्रेशन में ए कॉमन है. So we had removed the a common number. We always remove outside of the brackets. हमने a निकाला बाहर, बचा क्या b plus c. So b plus c, and this property is a distributive property. Which property? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. So आपको property समझ में आई? कौन सी property हम use कर रहे हैं? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So come on, we will solve this sum now. Again, so 52 here and also 52 to 52 दोनों ये expression, this is one expression, this is another expression separated by the sign plus. ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है, ये दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन है जो कि प्लस साइन से अलग हुआ है. तो ये एक्सप्रेशन में 52 है, अगेन इन अनदर एक्सप्रेशन आल्सो 52. तो हमने ये दोनों एक्सप्रेशन में से जो 52 कॉमन है उसको ब्रैकेट के बाहर निकाला. तो इस फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन में से 52 बाहर निकल गया, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? -98. देन आई पुट दिस प्लस का साइन. This 52 is I have already took outside. Now remain -2. Okay. So 52 now in small bracket plus minus minus -98 -2. So 52 minus minus opposite sign always add and give the sign to the bigger number. So it will be the -100. Now multiply by -100 with the 52. Just add 2 when I have told you in previous lecture also, if we are multiplying any number in 10, 100, 1000, we just has to count the zero and just add after the number. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 10, 100 या 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें एक्चुअली मल्टीप्लाई करने परफॉर्म करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें सिर्फ वही नंबर के आगे वही जीरो ऐड कर देने. How? See, first I have wrote this minus sign, this 52 and count the 0 2. I have wrote here 20. My answer will be 5200. My answer will be 5200. And which property we have used here? You can write in the bracket distributive property of multiplication over addition. If you want, you can please write down this sum. Please ask me question in the comment if you do not understand what I have taught you. You are free to ask me question regarding this question if you not understand. The question number 3b. See the sum, -8 multiplied by 64 multiplied by -125. अगर इस सम में हम देखें तो हमारे पास दो नेगेटिव नंबर है. So to make easy, first we write negative number near. Okay. So -8 multiplied by -125 multiplied by 64. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर का सीक्वेंस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के दौरान चेंज करें तो सम नहीं चेंज होता. Only one condition is that you should not forget the sign while you are changing the sequence of the number. Okay. So here -8 and -25. तो हमें पता है अगर दो अपोजिट नंबर में माइनस साइन लगा हुआ है तो वो क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद पॉजिटिव. Negative, negative, always positive. Same sign, positive. So negative और negative same sign है तो आंसर will be positive. अगर हम नेगेटिव साइन का एडिशन करते हैं तो नेगेटिव साइन हम सम में रखते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम दो नेगेटिव साइन का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हैं तो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाता है और देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट द एडिशन का साइन. ओके, अभी यहाँ हम क्या परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो दीज टू नेगेटिव साइन कन्वर्ट इनटू द पॉजिटिव आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग. ओके, सो 125 multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. 0 carry 4. 8 2s are 16 and 4 20. 0 carry 2. 8 1s are 8 and 2 10. So we get 1,000. What we got? 1,000 here. So minus minus positive, no need to write. And after multiplying 125 by 8, we got 1,000. Multiply by 64. Now there is no need to calculate again separately. You know the rule when we are multiplying any number with the group of thousands. So only you has to add the 0 after that number. So 64 after 30. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 64,000. My answer is 64,000. In question 3b, which property we has used? Closure property. Which property we has used? Closure property. Okay. Closure property. Next, question number 3. Minus 36 multiplied by 103. Here we have to use some property. Now we can split these 103 in the form B plus C. Okay, like C, distributive formula A multiplied by B plus C. This is a distributive formula of multiplication over addition. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the A with the B and A with the C. Okay. So what you will get here? A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is a form which we need in this sum. So come on, try yours by yourself. We can split this number 100 plus 3. Okay. B plus C, that is 100 plus 3. Now we have to multiply 36 minus 36 with 100 and minus 36 with 3. Okay. So minus 36 multiplied by 100 plus minus 36 multiplied by 3. You can put the bracket here to separate the functions. Now here. Minus 3600, easy. You have to just write down the 20 of the 100 after the 36. You got the answer? Your plus ka sign again. 36 multiply by 3. 3 6 are 18 ka 8 carry 1. 3 3 are 9 and 1 10. 108. It is a minus plus minus minus 108. Okay. Now again plus minus minus. Minus 3600 plus minus 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 108. Now again this minus same sign, positive, but here we have to give the sign of the bigger one. So answer will be 3600 plus 108 8073 minus 3708. What will be the answer? Minus 3708. Which property we have used here? Which property we have used here? Distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. You also has to write down the name of the property which you has used in this sum. So which property we has used? Distributive property of the multiplication over addition. Question number 3D. 872 multiplied by 1001 minus 872. What is the common in this sum? The 872 has repeated twice. The 872 is repeated twice in this sum. Okay. We know one rule that if we multiply by any number with a 1, the number is not going to change. Okay. So first step, 872 multiplied by 1001 minus 872 multiplied by 1. Here, I had multiplied 1 with 872. It's not going to change any value of the equation. अगर हम एक से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो नंबर चेंज नहीं होता, उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती. राइट नाउ सी अगेन 871 871. This is a common. Okay, if we consider this A, this will be also A. If this is B, then it will be C. So what is the formula? A, दोनों में से अगर हमने A कॉमन निकाला तो बचा क्या यहाँ? Into B minus C. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. यहाँ हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Which function we are performing here? Subtraction. So same distributive property over distributive property of multiplication over the subtraction. Okay? समझ में आया? प्रॉपर्टी कैसे समझ में है आपको? जो भी नंबर इज रिपीटेड है that number we consider as A and remaining two number, this is B and this one is C. Okay, so this will help you to find out the property. Now common number एक बार ही लिखा जाता है when we are solving the sum. So 872 is a common number. So 872. ये जो माइनस का साइन है, दिस माइनस का साइन, ये सम को दो हिस्सों में बांट रहा है. This minus sign split the sum into two parts. This is one and this one is another. So from this part, I'm just taking out 182, which is the common. Okay. See. So क्या बच गया? This one 1001. Okay. Again, I'm putting this minus sign here, and this is common. So I have already put this number outside the bracket, and then this one. Now it is easy to perform. 872. 1001 minus 1 will be 1000. Okay, now multiply by 872 by the 1000. I have to write just 0 after 872. After 30, I have to write only. This is a trick. Without doing any performance, we can write down the answer. Okay, got it? Write down the answer. Which property we have used here? Distributive property. Which property? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Which property we have used? Distributive property of the multiplication over the subtraction, because we have subtracted here. We subtracted 1 from the 1000. So we had performed the function of the subtraction. So we just change here subtraction. The word addition and subtraction according to the property. Okay. Question number 3E. Question minus 15 multiplied by 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10 and multiplied by minus number. So many multiplications are there, and same time there are the many negative sign. Okay, so when there is a lot of multiplication in the sum, first we have to calculate how many negative signs are there. So we have to count the sign 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative sign, 4 is an even number, so our answer will be positive. So one thing is clear, our answer will be positive. Now do it little bit easier to solve this sum. We know that if we multiply the 25 with the 4, the answer will be 100. And it is easy to multiply any number with the 100. Okay. So we will do first minus 15 multiply by this function. That is a 25 multiplied by 4. So 25 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 carry 2. 4 2s are 8 and 2 10. Answer is 100. Here 25 is a positive and 4 is a negative. So positive, negative, negative. Answer will be minus 100. Okay. Again here in this, both the sign are the negative. 10 also minus negative and 1 is also minus negative. Same sign, always positive. So we get 10 ones are 10. So here will be the 10. Now, first we will multiply by 100 with 10. Okay, first we will multiply by 100 with 10 to make our sum more easy. 15 multiplied by, we only has to add one more zero after 100. So the answer will be minus 20 of 100 and 10 of 10. That is 1,000. Okay. Now look again. This minus 15 and minus 1,000. Minus minus positive, same sign positive. And after we have to just put this 30. So what will be the answer? 15 after 15,000. Now, many multiplication with the many negative sign, multiple negative sign. So this property, when there is a many multiple signs as well as negative sign, this property is known as a associative and commutative property of multiplication. This property, associative and commutative property of multiplication. Remember, when there is a many multiple sign and lot of negative signs, so we can say associative and commutative property over multiplication. Okay. Question number 3F. First, we will read the question properly. 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 and 65. In this sum, there is a similarity, or the two numbers are similar. Which numbers are similar? 625 and 625. But they are not equal. They are looking similar, but they are not equal because first 625 is a positive and other 625 is a negative. So what can we do? We notice that this is one expression, your plus ka sign, and this is other expression. These two different expressions are joined together with the sign of plus. One thing we know that when minus 5 is multiplied by 4, what will be the answer? Minus 5 multiplied by 4 plus minus minus 4 5s are 20. And if I wrote 5 multiplied by minus 4, what will be the answer again? 4 5s are 20, minus 20. In both the cases, when I have shifted the sign from 5 to 4, the answer has not changed. The answer is not changed. So this property can apply here. Okay. So I shift the minus sign to the 65. The sum is not going to change. So first I'll make this two number equal. How? By exchanging their sign. हम साइन एक्सचेंज करके इस दोनों नंबर्स को इक्वल कर सकते हैं, जो कि हमारे इस सम की जरूरत है. 225 multiply by minus 35 plus, now I'll write 625. I had shifted the sign of plus to 65. मैंने जो माइनस का साइन था वो 65 को दे दिया, 625 का माइनस का साइन 65 को दे दिया. अभी ये दोनों भी नंबर पॉजिटिव हो गए. यस, अगर ये पॉजिटिव हो गए तो ये सिमिलर भी हो गए. अब ये दोनों नंबर जो सिमिलर है उनको मैंने ए कंसीडर किया. दिस ऑल्सो ए, दिस ऑल्सो ए. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 625, सो आई wrote here B and this number I wrote here C. ओके, उसके बाद हमने ये जो साइन है वहां रख दिया. यहाँ दिस प्लस का साइन here and this मल्टीपल का साइन here. Now I've got one equation. What equation I've got? A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. In this equation, I've brought A as a common from this both expression. A दोनों expression में है तो हमने A को common निकाल दिया. A को common निकालने के बाद ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? This B प्लस का साइन एंड दिस सी, क्योंकि हमने ये दोनों ए को हमने ऑलरेडी कॉमन है करके बाहर निकाल दिया. ए मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी प्लस सी हमें कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी बताता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओवर एडिशन, क्योंकि यहाँ एडिशन का साइन है. अगर यहाँ सब्सट्रैक्शन का साइन होता तो हम बोलते हैं ओवर सब्सट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो हमें ये सम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी की हेल्प लेके सॉल्व करना है. सो फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया है? ए को कॉमन निकाला है. हमारा यहाँ ए क्या है? 625. तो हम इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशन से 625 कॉमन निकालेंगे. हाउ? अब देखिए अभी हम कैसे 625 कॉमन निकाल के ये सम को सॉल्व करते हैं. सी 625 आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट, मल्टीपल का साइन, व्हाट हैड रिमेन हियर? -35 plus again 625 I have already took common, so I have just wrote outside the bracket -65. Now again -65 -35, same sign, positive, same sign, positive. So I wrote here positive. Circle the number 5 and 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 3, 10. Now sign of the bigger number 65, that is a minus. So what is the answer of this addition? Is -100. Answer is -100. So 625 multiplied by -100. Now it is very easy to multiply the number with the 100. How? Just write down first sign plus minus minus. Write down the number 625 and just write 20 after here. So answer is a 62,500 and we have used the property distributive property of multiplication over addition. ओके, समझ में आया ये सर? अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं समझा, यू कैन राइट डाउन मी इन कमेंट. आई विल आंसर यू फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्वेश्चन 3G. 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 999. आप कहोगे ठीक है 999 को 80 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, काम हो गया. But no, you cannot do the multiplication direct here because they have told us to use the suitable property. हमें property use करके ही ये sum solve करने हैं. अगर without using the property you have solved, your teacher may give you a wrong for this answer or she can deduct your mark also. Okay, so we have to use property in this sum. How can we use the property if this two number? So you know one thing. This 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 instead of writing direct 999. ये 999 हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1000 minus 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Answer will be same. तो हम इस चीज का उपयोग यहाँ करेंगे. See, 18 multiplied by, instead of writing 999, I have wrote 1000 minus 1. Now, which property you remember here? A is equal to B minus C, and this is a distributive property of the multiplication over subtraction. So, हाँ, चलो property तो मिल गई. अभी हम ये sum solve करेंगे. So, first what will I do here? I multiply by A with the B and A with the C afterward. बराबर? हम तो 18 को पहले हम 1000 से multiply करेंगे, फिर 18 को हम 1 से multiply करेंगे. So, do it. 18 multiplied by 1000 minus sign 18 multiplied by 1. Easy. Write 18 and afterward write 30. 1, 2, 3. Now 18 ones are 18. Just do subtraction here. You will get your answer. So 18000 minus 18. Don't write 18 on this place. Write a ones place and then 10 place. So we cannot subtract 8 from the 0. So we have to carry. Cut 7, 10, cut 9, cut 10, 9, cut 10. So deduct 8 from the 10. We will get your 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 9, 7 and 1. What will be the answer? 17,982. And which property we have used here? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Got it? Question number 3I. First we will read the question properly. 1673 multiplied by 99 minus 1673. This is a minus function, and on the left hand side of minus there is a 2 number. On the right hand side of the minus there is only 1 number. We want to use the property while solving the sum. So what do we do? We know that if we multiply any number with the 1, the equation is not going to change. So what we did here, 1673 multiplied by 99 minus 1673 multiplied by 1. This is not going to change the equation if I multiply 1673 by 1. Now both the sides are equal, 2 numbers and 2 numbers. Okay. Now if 163 is your positive but here is a negative. Previous sum we have learned that we can change the sign or transfer the sign to the next number with whom we are multiplying. The equation answer is not going to change. जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट सम में बताया था, 5 multiplied by 4 answer will be minus 20. Or if I shifted the minus sign towards 4, then also answer will be minus 20 only. Okay, the same thing I am going to do. I just remove this minus sign from here and put before the 1. So the equation is not going to change. 1673 multiplied by 99 minus 1673 multiplied by minus 1. Now here 1673 positive, here also 1673 is a positive. This is a function, this is separating this two parts, okay? Or so this and these are equal. So I just wrote A above them. This is a different number, so I wrote B, and this is a different number, I wrote C. This will help you to find out the property, okay? So I put a multiple sign here, your minus sign and your multiplication sign. So what I've got here, A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. This will help you to find out the property. A is a common, remain B, this minus sign, and this is C. Which property? This distributive property of the multiplication over subtraction. Okay, so we know that now we have to use the property of this distributive property of the multiplication over subtraction. So just take it out, the common things. So 1673 is a common. I just took out that outside the bracket. Now 99, this minus sign multiplied by minus 1. Okay. Now 1673 inside the bracket, this 99 minus multiplied by minus plus, and there is no need to give the sign of minus. When we are adding two minus sign, when we are adding two minus sign, we need to give the minus sign to the answer. But when we are multiplying two minus sign, there is no need to give the minus sign, because minus multiplied by minus always positive. So here will be the plus 1. So 1673 multiplied by in bracket 100. So this is very easy to now calculate. Write down this number 1673 and just write 20 afterward that. So this is finished. This is my answer, and the name of the property is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, got it? So we have finished the question number 3 here.